In the process of creating assemblies, sometimes we might need to create multiple copies of components. Depending on the specific design requirements, we might need these copies to be exactly the same or differ from each other slightly. So here is a simple guide on how to manage these copies. The cylinder here would serve as the first component in this demonstration. Suppose that I need to create a copy. Right-click on the component and select Copy. Next, right-click on the assembly and select Paste. The Move Copy window pops up. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will move the copy to the side. So the copied cylinder becomes our second component. Let's take a look at how the copied component behaves. First, make sure that the original component is activated. Let's add a fillet. You can see that the same fillet gets repeated on the copied cylinder. This behavior works upstream as well. If we activate the copied cylinder and add a chamfer to the other edge, you can see that the feature gets repeated on the original cylinder. While this behavior might be useful in some cases, it might not be applicable all the time. So how do we break this link and create independent copies? The answer lies in choosing a different option while pasting. If we go back to the point where we copied the cylinder and choose the Paste New option instead, this creates an independent copy that blocks features from flowing downstream and upstream.